Struggling to find accurate answers while researching online? In this video, I'll show you how to use Perplexity AI to do fast, smart research in 2026. Step 1. Open Perplexity and log in first. Open the Perplexity website or the Perplexity app on your device. Now log in using your account so you can start researching. Step 2. Ask your research question next. Type what you want to know. For example, I type, "What are the pros and cons of nuclear fusion energy?" After typing your prompt, press enter. Step 3. Read the AI answer and sources. Now Perplexity starts writing the answer for your question. You can also see all the sources listed with the answer, which makes the research more reliable. Step 4. Explore opposing viewpoints. Now I type, "What's the opposing viewpoint?" and press enter. Perplexity will write the opposing opinions related to the same topic. Step 5. Use related questions. At the bottom of the answer, you'll see related questions. Click on any related question, and Perplexity will explain that topic as well. Step 6. Export your research as PDF. Now click on the three-dot menu. Select Export as PDF. Choose a location and click Save. Your full research is now saved as a PDF file. And that's how you can easily research any topic using Perplexity AI. Thanks for watching, and happy researching.